BlueJeans Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. BlueJeans Enterprise App is a cloud-based video conferencing platform aimed at professional organizations. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just another Zoom alternative. BlueJeans emphasizes enterprise-grade security, Dolby audio, and interoperability across multiple systems. On the pro side, BlueJeans provides high-quality video and Dolby voice audio, ensuring clear communication even in large meetings. It supports webinars, meetings, and events with interactive features like polling and breakout sessions. Integration with Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Google Workspace helps streamline workflows. Enterprise controls include admin dashboards and compliance features suitable for regulated industries. On the con side, some users mention that the platform can be less intuitive for new users, and mobile performance may not be as smooth as desktop. Pricing can be higher than mainstream alternatives, and some advanced features are only available in higher-tier plans. In conclusion, BlueJeans Enterprise App is a strong choice for organizations that prioritize audio quality, security, and seamless integration. Its advanced features and enterprise-grade controls make it suitable for large-scale meetings, webinars, and events, providing reliable communication across teams.